a community outreach program as a part of Chowgule College at 60 years celebration. Chowgule College, being a premier institute, has completed 60 years of noble service to the society, and to commemorate that, we have organized this function. We have chosen Kamolim village to implement our community outreach programs, wherein we have established the e-Granthalaya, cataloging and indexing of library books, soil analysis and soil health card, awareness about importance of Gram Sabha meetings, awareness about the substance abuse and how to keep away from substance abuse, and digital literacy camps, the art clubs, reading clubs. So these are the functions or various activities that we have planned under the community outreach program. To conclude, I would like to thank the management of Chowgule College for funding this entire project. I would like to thank the entire staff, principal, vice principal and other members and students of Chowgule College for making this a reality. I would also like to thank the Village Panchayat, Kamurlim, the Panch member and his team, the Sarpanch and the villagers for joining hands with us and making this a great success.
Upgrade घेतला आणि ही लायब्ररी करूंक तेणी हातीन घेतला. वर्सभर तांचो वावर आमचे विलेजीन आसतलो, आमचोय तेंकां आसतलो आणि हो वावर तेणी हातीन घेतल्या खातीर हांव चौगुले कॉलेजीक तशेंच स्टाफ एंड मॅनेजमेंटाक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. थँक यू ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माय विलेजर्स of Kamolin Salset. It's 60 years of celebration कोत्ताना community outreach program organize केला आणि आमची पंचायत कामोलीं पंचायत सालसेत एडॉप्ट केल्या आणि ह्या प्रोग्रामान तांचे जायते प्रोग्राम आहात.